You don't mind water anymore? Oh, you do? No, I figured you're Irish stove.
Yeah, the water is cold. I'm warmed up. So if I go in the water again, I'm going to get cold. Okay, more water.
We gotta remember to go up that path that we were wondering about last time. This is it, right? Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, do not turn right.
I see the water.
You're on your own.
Was there any bad shit this way?
I don't remember. A bit of water, but things for nothing.
That's crazy.
I think it was the hills was the only thing that was.
Yeah,
Well, they were
actually I like the hills. I remember there was a couple little hills, that was one of them. Maybe there's one more.
I think there was one more.
I like little tiny challenges. Not water right now.
I think we went left last time.
Oh, did we?
Yeah. Oh, no. I don't remember that big ass rock. Never mind.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the other hill.
At some point, I think we went left.
Give her off that hill.
I think so.
Whoa. They could like fall out right under your tires.
Yeah.
Now, maybe do wheelie off this bus
Yeah,
then.
I don't do that. That was good enough.
I'm doing it. Well, no, I'm not doing it. I tried to go fast, but I don't think I'd hit my weight.
I didn't do it as good as last time. Last time I fucking drove it. Get out of the way!
That's really tight.
Like my right glove. That thing is fucking moving. Probably stretch it out soon. No, it's that way. It's that way.
Okay.
Slow down a whole bunch that doesn't make it. Move to Arizona.
Yeah, that's right. That'd be wicked for their bike.
I look at Utah in the desert. Man, that gotta be fucking cool.
Utah, I never saw that for bike.
Yeah, there's a YouTube guy that he does tours out there. He got a lot of content on this dirt bike, dual purpose really. Not even dirt bikes, it's dual purpose. I can't remember what his name is. Ever Ride. This guy's YouTube channel.
Yeah. I have to check that out.
He's a bit of a douche. He just like tries to be poetic and other things, but
Yeah, do that at school.
but the where he goes is awesome.
He's bagging in the spot.
Am I supposed to get out of first yet?
Yeah, I just got back in.
Oh, car
You
coming.
will.
I know, we got a car coming, so.
Oh, fuck. Good thing I got that skid plate on.
Yeah. Or is it thinking about how because of skid plate?
I'm buying that pretty hard, so I don't think so. Like, it's not like, you know, really hard, but it was like south flat.
You're turning this.
Oh, am I? I must have come on a stick. Whoa, wire. Stuck the air boot. Hot in there. A little bit of water.
Around here for that one. I knocked myself in a neutral somehow.
Oh, Jesus.
I'll catch up with you.